Okay, this, I know what it is because I ordered it, I don't know, yesterday or the day before. I saw this on Mira Byler, my favorite little YouTuber, well, one of my favorites. And she did this on her channel, and I'm like, I gotta copy that. Everything she does is so much fun, I just want to copy it. So this is what I got. It's a little wooden puzzle, and you just paint on it. Oh, there's a little spot there. You just paint on it, and you can make your own picture. Now, thing is, I know she had trouble with hers because she had trouble getting it back together afterwards or something, and I think it was because of the paint. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use on it. Yeah, they seem pretty tough to get together. So I don't know, maybe I'll use ink or something that has no thickness to it, you know? And paint a little picture on there. So I'm going to make this a video on its own. But it will happen several weeks after hers, so nobody will think I copied her or anything. So that's my plan. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet as a picture. And I'm not sure how ink would work on this because it's probably going to spread because it's wood. I don't know. I know she did a background of Posca, which is acrylic, but it's liquid acrylic, so it's probably a little easier. Maybe acrylic ink, or the Poscas. I'll have to give it a think. I should have got one to practice on. There were a couple of different options. One was like a 100-piece puzzle, which I was gonna just wait on and see how this works. And one was a little bit smaller, and you got 3 of them, but I didn't get there was not good reviews for it. So this one seemed like the best choice. This was $7.99, so we'll see. Anyway, that's the intro. All right, I'm gonna try acrylic ink. I'm a little afraid, but I wanted a light color, but something that's not too thick. Yeah, that's very light. I just don't want it to make the puzzle stick together. So I'm gonna give this a try, see if I can get a coat over it, let it dry and see what happens. All right, what I think I'm gonna do is, I flipped it upside down to see if anything had leaked through. There was one little spot where it leaked. I'll show you. So I flipped it. See, there's one little spot, but it's not sticking or anything, so it should be okay. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna trace the size of it, and I'm gonna try to come up with a design so that, oops, why is it curling? Something that'll cover the entire thing, you know? So I'm just gonna lay it. And then I'll probably trace it on there somehow. It's so curly. I think it's because it's wet. Okay. All right, that's good. So I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna try to come up with a design, transfer it on there, and not sure. I moved. I was looking at this, and it seemed like some of the pieces were sticking, so I dumped it, and I'm having a difficult time putting it back. This is a small puzzle. It shouldn't be this difficult. I don't know. I don't know why it's super hard. I think once I get it together, I'm never taking it apart again. Hooray! Only took me about an hour. So I think what I'm going to do is flip it over and I'm going to number it on the back in case I have to do it again. So, my first idea is maybe doing like cats sleeping, head like a yin yang kind of configuration. Like little head over here, tail, but I haven't figured it out yet. May not be that. Okay. So this is the design I came up with. Just two cats kind of cuddled up to each other. Not sure about the colors I'm going to use yet, but I think I'm just going to try to transfer it to this using a pencil. This is an 8B, so it should be nice and dark. Okay, so then you flip it and you line it up, and then you just copy over it again. Let's see if that's working. Not really, because it's wood. So you're just gonna get a light line anyway, and then you can go over it with whatever you want. Oh God, you can barely see it. Okay, so now you can either draw on it again in pencil or whatever you want to use. So I want to put, don't want it too dark. I guess I should do this one. I think I'm going to do red for the outside. Okay, so I think, there's still some there. I think I'm gonna let the red dry a little bit, then I'm gonna flip it, and I'm gonna paint the rest of it red. I'm gonna paint the sides and underneath red. I don't know if I'll do the back. Maybe. We'll see. And just let the pieces air out. So that's the plan. All right, I think I'm just gonna let this sit. I'll probably work on it tomorrow. Just make sure it's good and dry. I kind of like the way it's coming out so far. Okay, I meant to talk more during the making of this, but I don't know. Hopefully you didn't mind the small sections where it was just the music. Yeah, I had fun doing this. The ink seemed to work really well. It didn't clog up, it didn't make the pieces stick together or anything, and went on really easily with the brush pens. Came out really well, I thought, in the end. So let's see, this is the little orange kitty, and like I did originally plan on doing one like stripy cat and one like regular single color cat, but I ended up doing both stripy cats, but I think it looks good. Puzzle's still sitting there untaken apart. I'm afraid, although I did number the back. I didn't want to have to put it together again, but I might do it. I might give it to my mom or something to try, see how she likes it. I'm not sure what else to say about this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I had fun with this. And I don't know if I'll do it again, but it was a fun little project. So enjoy the rest of the footage, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Still want to work on this. And I'll see you next time.